I can see the laser machines are running.
Yeah.
What exactly do you use this for, this kind of machine?
This one is a laser cutting machine. We mainly make the cutting the straight section. Yeah, we also make
this one
make the muffler.
That's for the muffler.
Yeah, muffler pipe. Yeah.
Okay.
Also make the titanium pipe straight.
This is titanium?
Yeah, titanium.
Very good.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
Excellent. Yeah. It looks very good.
It's a very important machine.
Yes.
This machine keep running every day.
Yeah, it's very accurate, right?
Yeah.
And it's working every day, no sleeping.
Yeah. You know, exhaust the pipe, the first time is cutting. So this machine keep working all day.
And it's all computerized, right?
Yeah. You can see the next machine. Yeah, this machine mainly for the cutting the plates. The material. One is the pipes, one is the plate.
So these are for brackets, are they?
Yeah, the plate.
They use this bracket for what purpose?
Yeah, for exhaust the bracket.
Holding the, in position.
Yeah, also make a muffler the body and the
body,
Yeah, even cutting the logos. Yeah.
Oh, logo.
Yeah.
Very good. So it can cut almost anything, yeah?
Yeah. It's also very important machine.
So this is also working all the time.
Yeah. So basically the laser cutting machine, cutting is the production, the first step. After cutting down, then make the bending. Some product need bending, some product need press.
Right. That's very good. Yeah.